Check the vision. The crown wasn't given, it was revealed. Maitreya's Buddhahood 2025. It ain't a new acquisition, the state of being alive. It wasn't built, it was unveiled. The clouds just moved away. The radiance that always was now shining through the gray. He didn't become a new thing, just remember what is true. Now that ancient sky is shining down on you. Jewel mind from the depths he giving out the gems. Raincloud mind, shower wisdom on these droughtland stems. Unconditional, endless, a gentle falling grace. But no jewel can hold it, and no drop can hold the space. To the doula, he's a teacher posting on the timeline. But to the real life, he's the water and the soil, so sublime. What is it? All things, yet it's nothing you can name. Can't be trapped by thought, can't be put inside a frame filled with compassion, wisdom, power you can't define. Like the ocean ain't defined by every wave and every line. His enlightenment's the key. All form is empty, free, and that emptiness is love for you and me. Jewel mind from the depths he giving out the gems. Raincloud mind, shower wisdom on these droughtland stems. Unconditional, endless, a gentle falling grace. But no jewel can hold it, and no drop can hold the space. To the doula, he's a teacher posting on the timeline. But to the real life, he's the water and the soul, so sublime. He excludes nothing, includes nothing. That's the great non-dual way. In that boundless field, everything awakens today. His presence on this platform, it's no accident, you see. It's the timely unfolding of a vow to set you free. Your gas leaving on me is pollen with a scent